Hi Gemini, what's up? Kamusta po kayo lahat? So I hope everyone's doing okay. So for today guys, gagawin natin ang inyong December 2025 General Tarot reading. So this is a reading about what you can expect for the month of December 2025. Please do take note, this is just a general reading. Maari po mag-resonate, maaring hindi. Only take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Also, please don't forget to click like and subscribe para din po, like, share, and subscribe para din po makakuha pa kayo ng mga bagong readings from me in the future. Okay, so Gemini, what can you expect for the month of December? Okay, you have your bear, danger, especially in money matters. So, sabi nito, bear. So, baka kailangan mag-ingat overall, no? Sa mga pakikipag-transact, nakikita ko. Overall sa pera, baka meron dyang predator pagdating sa pera. Okay. Mga mag-consume ng pera mo. Ganon. Ano pa? Ano pa, Gemini? For the month of December, you have here bad. Take care. Enemies are working against you. So, hindi ito nawawala kay Gemini, no? Lagi talagang merong conflict or meron siyang parang someone who hates them or something. Sabi dito, take care. Enemies are working against you. So, this could be someone na nakikita ko biterera or someone that doesn't want to see you succeed. Maybe a distant from you, by distance kayong dalawa. This person doesn't have like parang your best interest at heart. Ganun na lang natin siya sabihin, no, Gemini? And maaring ini-stalk ka rin nito sa nakikita ko. Maaring kung ano-anong sinasabi nito habang nakatalikod ka. Biterera ang nakikita ko. So someone who is parang not happy if you succeed, ganun. Okay, someone who doesn't want to see you succeed as well. Okay, let's move on. Ano pa? This card. You have your mountain road. You're on the road to success. Okay. So, sinasabi dito, Gemini, kung recently parang mahirap ang mga ganap sa buhay, mahirap ang mga pinagdaanan mo, it's like you've been like on an uphill battle, especially sa ano ba to? Sa pag-angat sa buhay. Ang sinasabi dito is magkakaroon daw ng changes sa buhay mo and there's an uphill success na ito, no? Kaya, there is a success dito. Pero meron pa rin talaga mga tao, this is not just one, na baka pinagchichismisan ka talaga, Gemini, no? That doesn't want to see you succeed. They want to see themselves succeed, but you, yeah. So, gusto nila mas angat sila sa'yo. You also have your clouds, temporary problems. So, magkakaroon daw ng mga temporary problems. Maybe nakikita ko sa pamilya. May tao dito na I think someone is doing voodoo towards you, Gemini. Like parang alam mo yung ginagawan ka ng black magic. Kasi medyo nakikita ko siya sa image dito na parang may black smoke ako nakikita. And parang may tumatawa na or parang image niya is nakangiti and it's like laughing na parang I'm thinking na parang voodoo to or parang maybe black magic, pinapakulam ka or something. So mag-ingat po tayo. Ano pa para kay Gemini for the month of cobweb, protected from negative forces beyond your control. Pero ayun, no? So kahit na merong mga taong ayaw sa atin or ayaw sa mga ginagawa ni Gemini, no? Or kay Gemini mismo, ang sinasabi dito is protected naman kayo, Gemini, from negative forces. Merong mga either spirit guides nyo, guardian angels nyo, archangels, kanya na nagpo-protect sa inyo. Shield and dinideflect yung mga binabato sa inyong mga evil eye or evil forces, ganyan. And lobster, financial pinch. So, financial pinch yan yung ano, parang kung maigsi ang kumot, matutong mamaluktot. Yan yun, no? So, parang mararamdaman mo patong-patong ang financial obligations na nahihirapan ka na kung paano mo siya pagkakasyahin yung budget mo or pagkakasyahin yung ano mo, yung kung anong meron ka. Okay? Something sa end mo. Okay? So, let's move on gamit ang tarot. Gemini, anong pwede ma-expect ni Gemini sa month ng December? Magician card. Someone is trying to manifest something. Either ikaw to Gemini na nagmamanifest ng something, or could be an Aries, Gemini, another Gemini, or a Virgo. Page of Cups. What is this? Could also be a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Specifically a Cancer. So it's like someone is literally making you hold back sa buhay, sa stability ng buhay mo. Someone is like pulling you, like every time you, maybe nararamdaman mo yun, no? Like every time na umuusad ka na sa buhay, parang may naghihila pabalik, or parang parang umaakyat ka na eh. Tapos parang biglang mawawala ulit. Parang pinapatikim ka lang ng saglit ng kaginhawahan. Parang gano'n yung nakita ko dito. It's like, you're trying to manifest something, pero it's like, hindi mo siya, parang there's someone, specifically, someone na may pagka-childish, okay? Pero biggie yung ginagawa niya, like, big time moves yung ginagawa niya to hold you back. Yeah, this person could be stalking you. This person is acting childish, or just have like that childish mindset. This person could be stalking you, could be parang is keeping it quiet behind the scenes about what? Yeah, to confuse you, para maisip mo na Gemini na parang maguluhan ka sa mundo, or maguluhan ka sa mga nangyayari sa buhay mo. Like, parang magulo ka sa diskarte mo. Siguro, no? Parang may minamanifest ka, pero hindi ito nagpapakita sa'yo. I mean, may minamanifest yung isang tao, pero hindi nito pinapakita sa'yo para sadyain na magulo ka. And para like matrap ka, ma-feeling mentally trap ka. Lalo sa mga opportunities sa buhay mo, sa nakikita ko. Yung parang feeling na wala kang magawa, or parang hindi ka makakilos sa mga bagay-bagay na gusto mong gawin, or parang ang out of reach. Yeah, yung mga bagay-bagay. Okay? Ano pa? What can Gemini expect for the month of, about to say January and December, so maybe may something significant na mangyayari for around January and December. Or those months are already significant for you right now. Okay? Merong pinapahiwatig dito, King of Wands. What is it? What is it ang pinapahiwatig? Matatapos na daw yung period na yon, Gemini. Okay? Matatapos na daw yun, makaka-break free ka na, like, sa chains. Tama ba? Yeah. Sa chains. It's like the end is, ang tawag doon? Hindi ko masabi. But, the end is, basta parang tapos na lahat ng paghihirap. Okay? Yeah, there is already a potential for you, or a chance for you to be stable again in life. It's like, there is this new beginning na brewing for you. Okay? Like, parang, kung before, parang feeling mo pinagkaitan ka ng mundo, o pinagkakait sa'yo lahat ng mga bagay na gusto mo, especially stability-wise. Ito, nakikita ko dito na magkakaroon ka ng ng stability. Okay? Maaring multiple streams of income. So, nakikita ko dito, kahit na minamatyagan ka pa rin ata ng tao, no? Or may pagka-bitter itong tao na to, but just ignore it. And sa nakikita ko dito na parang wala naman silang magagawa na. What's this? It's like, sabi nga kanina, diba, you are divinely protected. So, they will be feeling still that maybe bitterness or parang maybe their dream is to ruin you. I don't know. But there's also something saying here about a child na parang pinupukulan din. So, mag-ingat kayo, guys. What else? Pero it's like telling me to just to what is it? Na hindi na mangyayari yung mga bagay-bagay, or parang there will be some like fulfillment when it comes to your parang mga pangarap na sa buhay, moving forward, like parang magiging totally 180 degrees flip na siya yung kwento mo. Okay, it's like mawawala na yung mga conflict. Okay, kahit na yun yung sadya nila sa'yo, it's like hindi naman yun mananalo or hindi naman yun parang matutuloy na. Okay? Okay, it's like parang hindi na rin naman nila alam daw yung nangyayari sa'yo. Maybe you're keeping your, say, profiles low-key or parang low profile ka sa mga balita sa sarili mo. So, maybe wala silang alam kung saan nila kakapain, kung ano ba nangyayari sa'yo. Like parang iba siguro yung naiisip nila na nangyayari sa'yo. Okay, let's move on to your career. Yan, so the end is near. Yun ba yun? Basta ganon. Sa career, kamusta si Gemini? Okay, Wheel of Fortune, things will change. Told you, there will be a fortunate event, a wish when it comes to your career and finances na matutuparan. Some of you are related to medical field. Okay, Seven of Swords, the Nine of Pentacles. Ito talaga yung gusto mo yung maging stable ka, Gemini. I-center na nga lang natin. Ito talaga yung gusto mo, yung maging stable ka, magkaroon ka ng stability, abundance. Kahit na some of you, I'm seeing single, either like on civil status only or what. Yeah, you're really fighting. Seven of Wands, like parang you are really defending yourself or really pushing para sa stability mo, no? Kahit sa mga panahon na tingin ko may down moments, you really like fight or fought. You're really fighting for your stability. Ano pa for career? So may magbabago na, magkakaroon ng improvement. Okay, Queen of Cups, Queen of Swords, dalawang queen ito. Maaaring ikaw lang din to, Gemini. So, maaaring in the recent past, naging emotional ka or naging apektuhan din ang mental health mo when it comes to your finances, to your job, to your career. Ang sabi dito, matatapos na daw yun and parang magkakaroon na kasi ng, sa nakikita ko, improvement, and you don't need to be emotionally and mentally like unstable anymore or parang maapektuhan pa. Okay? Okay, so anything else? Page of Wands, merong isang offer in the past na related sa career ang magbabalik. Okay? Like anything na inoferan ka before, di natuloy, tas o-offeran ka nila ulit. Okay? In December. Okay, how about in love? How about in love? Virgo energy, Hermit. What's this? There is someone who's like thinking about you. Could be a Virgo. Could be studying you. What is the Hermit card? What is the Hermit? They want growth and abundance, okay? Taurus, Libra energy, they want to be in a relationship with you, they want something committed with you, they want to invest with you. Yeah, they want a new beginning with you. Okay, Page of Pentacles. Gusto nila ng bagong simula sa pag-ibig. Okay, maybe may relasyon na kayo ng tao na to. Maybe family. Yeah, this person would like to either marry you or end up with you. Mga ganon. Judgment card. Yeah, maybe in the past, hindi ganon ka-stable yung relationship nyo. Meron mga conflicts or parang like problems dealing with other people as well in the past. Okay, may mga tortures, like yung situation nyo hindi ideal. Yeah, mayroong missed opportunities in the past na talaga namang nahirapan kayong itayo yung yung relationship nyo. Yeah, may involve kasing katoxican. May involve na either Capricorn, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius 2. Parang lagi nagkakaproblema sa inyo in the past, especially nakikita ko na napopoint ako dito sa bag of money, sa pera. Okay, talaga nagiging problema nyo siya na maaaring nagkakos ng conflict. But the end is near as well when it comes to it, Gemini. Kasi sa nakikita ko dito, this person wants to settle with you, wants to invest with you. Gusto lang nila ng happiness with you, okay? Anything else for Gemini in love? Okay, 8 of Pentacles. Parang feeling ko ibang energy naman ito. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Someone wants to collaborate with you. Could be a Libra. Meron isang taong gusto nilang parang ayusin yung anong meron kayo, parang ganun, i-balance. Okay, Ace of Swords. Maaaring nagtatago tong person na to, maaaring just behind the scenes, but this person wants to communicate. Yan, the Tower. This would come to you as a shock, or parang magugulat ka dito na parang, or maaaring nagkaroon kayo ng ending nito in the past na talaga namang big time, heavy ending, okay? Anything else that you want to tell, Gemini? Okay, yeah, ang gusto nito ng collaboration, gusto nila ulit ng parang teamwork, or parang gusto nila ulit parang ibalik yung dati ba daw? Gusto nila ng pero parang hindi naman maganda. Nakita niyo tong star na ito, yung parang puno ng tumutulo na yung pintura. Parang hindi siya katulad nito na stable yung color. So for me, parang in the past hindi kayo ganoon ka-stable, or hindi naging maganda yung past nyo, pero yung gusto nila na, o baka tingin nila baka puno lang to ng passion, pero gusto nila ng new beginning sa inyo. Yeah, gusto nilang parang basta na-pick up ko kung anong meron dati, gusto nilang ibalik. I'm not feeling it very traditional relationship. Anything else? Last 2 cards. Mari naka-experience ka ng betrayal sa person na ito, pero parang feeling ko ayaw mo na dun sa tao. Okay, so yun lang naman, Gemini. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the reading. Please don't forget to give this video a like, share, and subscribe for more videos in the future. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good one. Bye!